If you've been struggling with clogged sprinklers, uneven coverage, or constant maintenance issues, there's one solution that's been trusted since 1933. Impact sprinklers are the workhorses of the irrigation world, and Rainbird makes some of the best ones available today. We've split this comprehensive guide into 4 parts to make it easy for you to find exactly what you need. In the first part, we'll talk about the basics of impact sprinklers and how they work differently from other types. In the second part, we'll explore the specific applications where impact sprinklers outperform everything else. In the third part, we'll break down Rainbird's impact sprinkler models so you can choose the right one for your needs. And in the final part, we'll cover troubleshooting tips and proper use guidelines to maximize your sprinkler's performance and lifespan. Part 1. Understanding impact sprinklers. Impact sprinklers are instantly recognizable by their distinctive clicking sound and rotating spray pattern. Water flows through the sprinkler body and strikes a spring-loaded arm. This arm deflects the water stream while rotating the sprinkler head. Each swingback creates that characteristic clicking sound and moves the head a few degrees further. The genius lies in simplicity. No complex internal gears, chambers, or tiny passages. Water flows straight through, hits the deflector arm, and sprays outward. This straight-through design makes them incredibly reliable. Fewer internal parts mean fewer failures. The mechanical action runs entirely on water pressure, with no electricity needed. Coverage ranges from 20 feet to over 50 feet depending on the model and pressure. Spray patterns adjust from narrow 20-degree arcs up to full circles. This flexibility adapts to any landscape shape. The rotating action distributes water uniformly, preventing dry spots and overwatered zones. The real advantage is handling tough water conditions. That open flow path works perfectly with hard water, well water, and reclaimed water containing minerals and particles. These conditions clog other sprinkler types quickly, but impact sprinklers keep running. Durable construction using brass, bronze, or quality plastics means years of reliable service in harsh outdoor conditions. Part 2. Where impact sprinklers excel. Now that you understand how impact sprinklers work, let's see where they outperform other irrigation options. Their straight-through flow and mechanical simplicity create real advantages in specific situations. Large area coverage is their domain. Big lawns, sports fields, and pastures need substantial coverage per head. Impact sprinklers deliver this efficiently, meaning fewer sprinklers, simpler systems, and lower installation costs. Golf courses use them extensively for fairways. Parks and commercial landscapes rely on them for efficient coverage. Agricultural applications demand impact sprinklers because they handle challenging water quality. Well water contains minerals, sand, and sediment that destroy other sprinkler types within months. Impact sprinklers run reliably year after year in these conditions. Vegetable gardens, orchards, and crop irrigation depend on this durability. Consistent water distribution without constant maintenance makes them ideal for large areas. Rural properties with well water benefit enormously. High mineral content clogs spray heads repeatedly. Impact sprinklers eliminate this frustration. Corrosion-resistant construction means hard water won't degrade them over time. This makes them essential where water quality compromises other systems. Reclaimed water irrigation faces similar challenges. Reclaimed water is sustainable but contains particles and minerals. Impact sprinklers handle it without issues, making them perfect for eco-conscious projects. Many municipalities using reclaimed water rely exclusively on impact sprinklers. Slopes and uneven terrain favor impact sprinklers too. Riser-mounted designs position at various heights for landscape features. Strong throw distance covers difficult areas strategically. Pop-up versions work in manicured lawns while elevated models handle rough terrain and tall grass. Part 3. Rainbird Impact Sprinkler Models. Understanding where impact sprinklers work best leads us to choosing the right model. Rainbird offers 3 main options, each designed for specific needs and budgets. The 35A series is Rainbird's premium brass impact sprinkler. Heavy-duty brass, bronze, and stainless steel construction outlasts zinc alternatives by years. Spray distance covers 23 to 50 feet radius, with adjustable patterns from partial to full rotation. The 3/4-inch connection handles high water flow for large areas. Choose this for commercial applications, agricultural use, or anywhere maximum durability matters. Metal construction handles harsh conditions, hard water, and continuous operation without breaking down. The P5R plastic impact sprinkler offers excellent residential value. High-impact polymer and stainless steel components provide years of reliable service despite the plastic body. The brass-weighted spray arm controls water precisely and prevents overspray onto buildings. Coverage adjusts from 20 to 360 degrees with 24 to 45 feet spray distance. This model balances affordability with Rainbird quality, perfect for home gardens, landscaping beds, and residential systems. The AG5 Maxi-Paw combines impact reliability with pop-up convenience. Traditional impact sprinklers stay visible and interfere with mowing. The AG5 retracts flush with ground when off, then pops up 3.5 inches during watering. This height clears tall grass while staying hidden when not in use. The AG5 specifically handles hard water and high mineral content. Its design makes it exceptionally reliable with reclaimed water systems. It includes 5 interchangeable color-coded nozzles requiring no tools to change. Adjust flow rates and coverage easily as needs change. The double-weighted arm provides slower rotation and increased throw distance. Many Rainbird models feature seal-o-matic check valve technology. This prevents low head drainage where lower sprinklers drain pipes when the system shuts off. The SAM feature seals automatically, holding up to 7 feet elevation change. This stops puddling, erosion, and water waste while protecting your landscape. Part 4. Setup and Maintenance. Selecting the right Rainbird model sets you up for success, but proper setup and basic maintenance ensure years of trouble-free operation. Let's keep this simple and practical. Start with the correct installation. Riser-mounted models need stable, level mounting at the right height for your coverage area. Pop-up models require proper depth installation, so they extend and retract smoothly. Position sprinklers based on their throw distance and ensure adequate overlap between heads for complete coverage. Adjust the spray arc using the adjustment collar or trip tabs. Set these to stop rotation where you want to avoid watering driveways or buildings. For full circle coverage, adjust or remove the trip mechanism. The deflector flap controls spray distance. Make these adjustments when the system is running so you can see the results immediately. Check your water pressure. Impact sprinklers work best between 30 and 80 psi. Too low means poor rotation and short throw. Too high causes misting and uneven coverage. If needed, add pressure regulators to optimize performance. For maintenance, clean the inlet filter screen when you notice reduced flow. Check that the drive arm swings freely. If rotation seems sluggish, debris around the bearing is usually the problem. A quick cleaning fixes this. Inspect nozzles for wear if spray patterns become uneven. Rainbird offers replacement nozzles that restore original performance. Common problems have simple fixes. Sprinkler won't rotate. Check for debris around the drive arm. Weak water flow. Clean the inlet filter. Uneven spray. Inspect the nozzle. Pop-up won't retract. Check the spring mechanism for obstructions. Before winter in cold climates, drain your system completely to prevent freeze damage. At season start, run the system and check each sprinkler for proper rotation and coverage. Address issues immediately for best results. Whether you choose the brass 35A series, plastic P5R, or pop-up AG5, these simple maintenance steps ensure maximum performance and longevity. Rainbird provides detailed guides and support on their website for specific troubleshooting and technical specifications. That wraps up our complete guide to Rainbird impact sprinklers. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Farming Inside for more practical irrigation guides. equipment reviews, and farming tips. We break down complex topics into clear, actionable advice to help you make smarter decisions for your fields. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.